Did you know honey and cinnamon can be your skin's best friends? Yes, you heard it right. These two common kitchen ingredients have been celebrated for their skincare benefits since ancient times, and modern science backs up their effectiveness. Honey, a natural humectant, draws moisture to the skin, keeping it hydrated and healthy. On the other hand, cinnamon, with its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, soothes and rejuvenates your skin, enhancing its overall appearance. Together, they form a powerful duo that can cater to all skin types. Imagine making a simple, effective paste from honey and cinnamon, applying it as a mask, and letting it work its magic, all while you get to relax and unwind. Wash it off and voila, you're left with glowing, rejuvenated skin. And the best part? It's a sustainable addition to your skincare routine. Stay tuned to discover how to make and apply a honey cinnamon mask. Honey isn't just sweet for your taste buds, but your skin too. Now, let's dive into the world of honey, a natural wonder that's not only delicious in your tea, but also a potent ally for your skin. You see, honey is a natural humectant. If you're wondering what that means, a humectant is a substance that attracts moisture. In the context of skincare, this means that honey draws moisture from the air and seals it into your skin. This is why, when you apply honey on your skin, it feels soft, supple, and hydrated. But that's not all. Honey doesn't just hydrate your skin, it also helps to balance the bacteria on your skin, which can be incredibly beneficial if you have acne. Plus, it's packed with antioxidants which can slow down the aging process, giving your skin a youthful, radiant glow. And if you have sensitive skin, you're in luck. Honey is gentle and nurturing, making it suitable for all skin types, from dry to oily and everything in between. If you're a fan of DIY skincare, you'll be delighted to know that honey is a versatile ingredient. It can be mixed with a variety of other natural ingredients to create homemade masks, scrubs, and lotions. But here's the best part. This golden liquid has been used for its medicinal and cosmetic benefits for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations recognized the power of honey long before modern science confirmed it. Today, we have numerous studies that validate the use of honey in skin care, proving that this sweet substance is more than just a delicious treat. It's a time-tested, scientifically backed ingredient that can truly enhance the health and appearance of your skin. Impressive, isn't it? But that's not all. Wait until you hear about cinnamon. Cinnamon, a spice we often associate with holiday treats, can actually treat your skin. You might be surprised to know that cinnamon, a common ingredient found in our kitchen cabinets, is a treasure trove of skincare benefits. This delightful spice is not just for enhancing the flavor of your favorite desserts, it's also a potent skincare ingredient that can rejuvenate and enhance the appearance of your skin. Cinnamon is rich in anti-inflammatory properties. Now, what does that mean for your skin? It means that the spice can soothe redness, inflammation, and even acne, offering a natural solution to these common skin concerns. It's like having a tiny, aromatic first aid kit right in your kitchen. But that's not all. Cinnamon is also packed with antioxidants. These are powerful substances that fight off harmful free radicals in the body, those pesky little molecules that can cause premature aging and damage to the skin. By using cinnamon on your skin, you're essentially giving it a protective shield, guarding it against the harmful effects of environmental stressors and aging. Moreover, the warming properties of cinnamon enhance blood circulation. This results in your skin cells receiving more oxygen and nutrients, leading to healthier, more radiant skin. So if you're in search of that elusive glow, cinnamon might just be your secret weapon. And the best part? Cinnamon is suitable for all skin types. Whether you have oily, dry, or combination skin, this versatile spice can be a beneficial addition to your skincare routine. In the world of skincare, simplicity can be incredibly powerful. With just a single ingredient like cinnamon, you can soothe inflammation, fight off free radicals, and enhance your skin's natural glow. It's the perfect example of how nature provides us with some of the best skincare solutions. Now, imagine combining the powers of honey and cinnamon. Let's do just that. Creating a honey cinnamon mask is as easy as it sounds. The beauty of this mask lies not only in its skin-enhancing properties, but also in its simplicity. You don't need to be a skincare guru or a DIY enthusiast to whip up this nourishing treat for your skin. All you need is 2 basic ingredients, honey and cinnamon. So let's begin. First, you'll need 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it has an innate ability to attract and retain moisture. This makes it a darling ingredient for anyone looking to quench their skin's thirst. You'll want to make sure you're using pure raw honey to reap the full benefits. Next, add in a teaspoon of cinnamon. This warm aromatic spice is a treasure trove of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It can help soothe your skin, reducing any inflammation and redness. Just a teaspoon of this potent spice can work wonders on your skin. Now that you have your ingredients ready, it's time to mix. Combine the honey and cinnamon in a bowl until they form a consistent paste. The consistency should be thick enough to stay on your face without dripping, but not so thick that it becomes difficult to spread. As you stir, you may notice the rich, earthy aroma of the mixture. This is one of the delightful perks of using natural ingredients. The sensory experience is as enriching as the skincare benefits. Once the honey and cinnamon are thoroughly mixed, you're done. Yes, it's that simple. In just a matter of minutes, you've created a powerful all-natural skincare potion. This humble mixture of honey and cinnamon is a testament to the beauty of simplicity. It's a reminder that sometimes the most effective solutions are also the simplest ones. And voila, you have your honey cinnamon mask. But how should you apply it? Let's find out. Applying the honey cinnamon mask is a simple yet soothing process. This mask is a treat not just for your skin, but also for your senses. The sweet aroma of honey coupled with the warm scent of cinnamon is truly an olfactory delight, creating a mini spa-like experience right in your home. Begin by ensuring your face is clean and free from any makeup or other products. Using your fingers, gently spread the honey and cinnamon mixture over your face, taking care to avoid the sensitive eye area. The texture of the mask is a little sticky, but don't worry, that's just the honey working its magic. As you apply the mask, take a moment to appreciate the natural goodness you're feeding your skin. Honey, with its humectant properties, is attracting moisture to your skin, while cinnamon, with its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, is soothing and rejuvenating your skin. Once the mask is evenly spread, it's time to let it sit and do its work. Leave the mask on for about 10 to 15 minutes. This is your time to relax and unwind. Read a book, listen to some calming music, or simply close your eyes and enjoy the sweet serenity. When the time is up, rinse off the mask with warm water. The warm water helps to loosen the mask, making it easier to remove. Then splash your face with cool water. This helps to close the pores, locking in all the benefits of the mask and leaving your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. Dry your face gently with a clean towel and take a moment to admire your glowing complexion. You can apply a moisturizer if you like, but you'll find that your skin already feels beautifully hydrated and smooth, thanks to the natural hydration from the honey. There you have it, a refreshing and rejuvenating skincare routine right at your fingertips. Remember, consistency is key. Make this honey cinnamon mask a part of your weekly skincare routine and watch your skin transform into its best, most radiant self. So honey and cinnamon aren't just for your kitchen anymore. This dynamic duo takes center stage in your skincare routine, offering a wealth of benefits. Honey, a natural humectant, draws moisture to the skin, keeping it hydrated and glowing. Cinnamon, on the other hand, soothes and rejuvenates tired skin with its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Creating the honey cinnamon mask is a simple task, needing just 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Once mixed, you've got a paste that's ready to work its magic. Apply it, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, and then rinse with warm water followed by a cool splash to close the pores. The sweet secret to success? Consistency. Using this mask weekly can lead to sustained skin benefits and a radiant complexion. Ready to make honey and cinnamon your skin's new best friends? Remember, your skin deserves the sweet treat too.